When I was making my notes on what I was going to say about this binational initiative, I was looking at the schedule and realized I had only 3 minutes to talk. So I'm going to tell you from my heart what I think about this. I am a prodigy of the binational characteristics of this region. I'm a gringo from Oklahoma that has dedicated my life and my career in Juarez. And I feel good about it. It has worked out. I like where we've ended up, and I like better where we're going. For 30 plus years, Tecma has worn out the highways between the 5 Midwestern states in the United States, bringing materials, raw materials, to the region to be assembled, manufactured, and shipped back. It's ridiculous. Less than 4% of the materials that we use to manufacture products, and we will move $1.5 billion worth of goods across this border as our little company this year, even with the pandemic slowdown. It's time that the local community, the local suppliers step in and take their share of this available business. I'm talking to companies that want to source product locally. I'm talking to suppliers that need to address this. The Technology Hub is providing that vehicle. For the first time, we actually have a binational initiative that will accommodate this, to locate, mentor, and present suppliers in a way that multinational companies, binational companies, can integrate them into their supply chain. There's never been anything like it. There's been attempts in the past that have stopped, and failed. So when I say thank you to the Technology Hub, it's not a casual, oh, thank you, it's just so nice for you to host this. No, this is a big deal. And what's even a bigger deal is to look at the sponsor list and see that probably half, I didn't count them all, but a lot of them are from the El Paso side of the border. That is creating this binational culture where we're one, and we need to move like one. And with this program, leveraging off of this program, staying focused, staying on it, I think we'll see a difference. I'm proud to be part of it, and I thank you for having me here.
Thank you very much, Alan Ross.